Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Mohammad Zafiruddin.
My name is Mohammad Umair.
ये प्रतीक हो रही
Vikas Shrestha.
Jabeth Flores.
Tamika Lenage.
Which course batch did you enroll in?
of FintEdu for corporate tax.
I enrolled in the 22nd batch for the corporate tax and transfer pricing course.
22nd batch.
I am in batch 22 of corporate tax.
Corporate tax batch 22.
How was your overall learning experience with FintEdu?
The overall learning experience with FintEdu has been excellent. Sessions are very interactive. Faculty has very good knowledge.
So basically I got into this course to get more knowledge about corporate tax, and I think I made the right decision. After this is today the fourth session, the last session. In all these sessions we have gained a lot of information, a lot of conceptual and practical clarity.
Well, the overall experience has been excellent.
And it's been very fun and very informative.
With FintEdu, I learned a lot, and it's nice to have an experience like this.
I have learned a lot, and I think this course will helpful to my career growth.
The experience has been exceptional because of the teachers. The kind of examples that are covered during the sessions are very practical, very relevant, and which is why I would recommend to everyone to learn and take their course.
It has been very nice facility also over here. The hospitality is very nice for the place where we are having the classroom and the training.
Would recommend anyone who's looking to increase their knowledge in corporate tax.
Thank you.